plate. Like that. I'm actually gonna nuke them for about 10 seconds just to defrost them just a tad. I'm gonna make a kind of like a strawberry syrup. It's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be really good. That goes. Alright. That's still pretty frozen, but now if I really wanted to cut them and turn them apart, I could. Like that. So throw those in the blender. Probably tear the big ones apart. That's gold. Woo. Ah, burns your teeth when it's so cold. Alright, so half of it. So half in now, half in later. Of course, some stevia, sweeten it up. These are unsweetened strawberries. Unsweetened frozen strawberries. Square of stevia. That's the cousin. No, I've never done this before. Let's see what happens. Hopefully everything goes good. I think they need to be neutral, but let's throw the rest of them in there. Let's try for 20 seconds. I've never done this before. You're witnessing it firsthand, experimenting with fruit. Crave fruit my whole entire prep. Now I'm having it. As this thing's going over here, you can see it cooking. Check it over from time to time. Maybe I should mash these up. Let's mash them a little bit. This is the spatula I'm going to use for the pancake, but I'm going to sit here and I'm going to crush these up a little bit. Get some juices flowing. And then I'm going to slide them in the blender and see what happens. This could be a complete fail, I have no idea. Yeah, it's looking that way. I need some kind of liquid. It's not working out as I planned. You know what I could do? I could throw another egg white in here for some liquid. I don't have any almond milk or anything. Egg. One egg. Egg white. This thing is getting good. This is what I like to do. As it's getting, there's always excess liquid on the top, so I just pour it, lift one side and pour it, and it goes under. Turn the heat down just a little bit so we don't get no burnage. Alright, so we get the egg in there. Let's try this one more time. Right, we get a little bit better. I'm getting there. It's like getting pasty. I may not use this. I don't know. It's turned into like an ice cream. This is not how I planned it coming out. It's good, but it tastes like strawberry ice cream. And that's not what I'm looking for on my pancake. I don't know. We'll see. I might just have to resort to sugar-free syrup. So as you can see, this thing's cooking. I'm going to flip it. Good flip. Perfectly golden brown. Look how good that looks. Look how good that freaking looks. Got a plate. I'm a little upset. I would have put blueberries in it if I didn't mess it up with these stupid strawberries. So just touch that real quick. And so that's going to be good. So slide it on the plate. Get this off the stove. Turn it off. Here you are. Protein oatmeal pancakes. Now, to top it off, spray butter, sugar-free syrup, possibly my strawberry concoction. Alright, moving over to the table. Pancake. I'm gonna try the strawberry stuff first. Let's see how it tastes. Spread it on there, because to be honest with you, this thing alone is good. It's got the stevia in it already. You could sprinkle a little bit more stevias in the packets on it if you want. A little bit of spray butter. That's how I had it during my prep, which I loved it. And to be honest with you, I still crave it every once in a while. But let's a little just on the corner. This thing's so perfect. It's fluffy. Look at it. It's freaking. Look how thick it is. Alright, this is gonna be a hit or miss. I'm definitely not gonna have the whole thing like that. So always have a backup plan. Resort 2: spray butter, sugar-free syrup. Can't go wrong. Tastes good. Come on, work. End of the bottle. Alright. Some of there. There's about a quarter of a cup left. Maybe a little more. Put that on there. Alright. There you go, man. There you go, guys. Oatmeal protein pancakes. Awesome. Heath, RippedGymApparelTV.